Welcome back to Huyssen Juice channel. Introducing our state-of-the-art onboard charger, designed to meet the charging needs of a wide range of electric vehicles. 3.3 kilowatt OBC Lifepo4 batteries, good quality is trustworthy. 3.3 kilowatt OBC Lifepo4 batteries are high-quality products specially designed for cycle charging or float charging of battery packs. Its advantages include high charging efficiency, strong compatibility, and support for multiple charging modes, such as constant current charging, constant voltage charging, and pulse charging. In addition, its small size is easy to carry, providing users with a convenient experience. 3.3 kilowatt OBC Lifepo4 batteries are not only capable of efficient charging, but also have strong compatibility and are suitable for the charging needs of various battery packs. It supports multiple charging modes to meet the personalized needs of different users. At the same time, its compact size makes it easy to carry, providing users with a convenient experience. In short, as an important equipment for charging battery packs, 3.3 kilowatt OBC Lifepo4 batteries have excellent quality and functions, providing users with efficient and convenient charging solutions. It is believed that the 3.3 kilowatt OBC Lifepo4 batteries will become an important product in the field of battery pack charging, providing strong support for users' use and charging.